Hello there. If you're not streamer fishing, and this is a pretty extreme version, if you're not streamer fishing, you're missing out, right? Nymphing is fun, dry fly is fun. You need to have a streamer rod, I'm telling you, because it is a blast. There we go. Fish on. Oh, he said, man, they're heavy. Nice. Fish on. There we go. Good stuff.
Ready?
Yeah. Nice. Now, when you're streamer fishing, typically it's no lighter than 3X tippet, right? I'm usually using a 9-foot, 3X, 2X, or 1X. The fish don't care. They're not leader shy. So go heavy, because some of these strikes are really powerful. I mean, they punch the fly like, if you haven't experienced it, it's a tug that you will not forget. Right there. Right there, right at my feet. I saw him chasing it. He came right up at my feet. Nice. Whoop, that was a hit. There we go.
Oh, Dan, you're on.
Watch bigger fish. Oh no! Oh no! And once you experience that, you're going to have a streamer set up every single time. Now, when you're streamer fishing, it's important to vary up the streamer, vary up the presentation, right? Sometimes I'll do like what I call a panic strip, to where I strip it really quick a couple of times, I stop, I'll let it sink, and I'll strip it really quick a few times more, and the fish will usually grab it on the way down or when it's ready to swim away again. So try a different retrieve. Sometimes it's a slow retrieve, sometimes it's a swing, sometimes it's just a steady, just kind of stripping in. But your goal, right, is you want to make this streamer look like an injured bait fish. A lot of times you've seen me upstream cast, right? If I've worked a hole, a lot of times I'll throw the fly back upstream and pull it down super quick. For whatever reason, that trigger goes off in that fish's head, and they just go after it, right? Even if you swung the fly over it already, that difference in presentation, they'll go after that fish. And that's really what it's about, right? You want to continue to vary up how you retrieve until you find something that works, and then stick with it, right? Look for big rocks, look for logs. Now, you're going to lose some flies streamer fishing. Occasionally, I'll use a sink tip, or I'll use an intermediate line, but typically I'm using longer leaders and heavier flies to get down there. I'm fishing a river today that's pretty darn deep, and I'm just letting that fly sink right down to the bottom before I start retrieving it back in, and I'm catching some just beautiful bull trout with that strategy. So with streamer fishing, vary it up, vary up the streamer, vary up your presentation, and you will get into some fish too. And the tug is absolutely the drug. All right, everybody, till the next time, fish on.